Good morning everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. So glad to meet you after so long. So first of all kids, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day. And now I am going to tell you something about Independence Day. Okay? Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this auspicious day, our President gives a speech and our Prime Minister hoists a flag on Red Fort. This is the national oath for all the citizens. So, dear students, on this auspicious day, we will take an oath. The oath for being a good citizen. We will try to be a good citizen. We will not do any crime. We will always participate in good things and will make our country green and clean. Jai Hind. Now moving on to our studies. Okay, in the last video we have completed the exercise. See the picture and circle its first letter. Now in this video we will do another exercise, that is dictation letter. So before I start, I am going to explain you what is dictation letter. Okay, in this exercise I will speak a letter and you have to listen that carefully, and after that you have to write that letter in your 4 lines copy, that is English copy. ठीक है? डिक्टेशन लेटर्स को हम लोग हिंदी में इमला शब्द कहते हैं, जिसका मतलब होता है सुन करके लिखना। पहले मैं आपको एक लेटर बोलूंगी, आपको उसे सुनना है और अच्छे से सुंदर सुंदर अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है। Okay, now before I start, I will give you few examples how you have to do this exercise. Okay, so let us begin. So firstly we'll put the date. So today's date is 15th August. 15 to 8 2020. Now class work, and after that we'll write dictation letter. Okay, now let us start. Okay, firstly on the first number you have to write A, letter A. So you have to listen it carefully, and after that you have to write it on number 1. So like this you have to do. Okay, now number 2, letter F. Listen it carefully, letter F. Now we'll write the letter F. Now on third number, letter K. So listen it carefully students, letter K. Now next, letter P. So you have to write it like this. On 4 number, letter P. Now number 5, letter U. So you have to write it on 5th number, letter U. Now number 6, letter Z. So you have to write here letter Z. Now moving on to number 7. Number 7 you have to write letter B. So like this you have to write. Now on number 8 you have to write letter G. Yes, like this. Now on number 9 you have to write letter L. Okay, like this you have to write. On number 10 you have to write letter Q. So like this you have to write. Okay, now next number 11. On number 11 you have to write letter V, like this. Okay. Now number 12. Number 12, you have to write letter H, like this. Okay. Now on 13 number, you have to write letter C, like this. Now next, number 14, you have to write letter M, like this. Okay, now moving on to next number. Next number is 15 and you have to write letter R, like this. Okay, now number 16. Number 16, you have to write letter W, like this. Okay, now number 17. On 17, you have to write letter I, like this. Okay, now on number 18, you have to write letter J. Okay, like this. Now moving on to number 19. Number 19, you have to write letter B. Now, like this. Okay, now moving on to number 20. Number 20, you have to write letter N, like this. Now, number 21. On number 21, you have to write letter S. Okay. Now, next number is 22. On 22 number, you have to write letter X. Now, on number 23, you have to write letter P. Okay. Now, number 24, you have to write letter O. Now, next, on 25 number, you have to write letter T. And now, the last one, in last, you have to write letter Y. Okay? In this way, you have to do your dictation words. Okay? Dictation words means we don't have to write A to Z in a sequence. Okay? मतलब मैम जैसे भी आपको बोलेंगी आपको वो लेटर लिखना है. आपको A to Z एक सीक्वेंस में नहीं लिखना, लाइक A B C D E ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. आपको जो भी नंबर पे मैम जो भी लेटर बोलेंगी दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन योर कॉपी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? So students, this is your homework. Firstly, you have to put the classwork, date, dictation letter, and you have to write it in your copy like this. Okay, as I have shown you in the video. Okay, now same thing you have to do in your homework. You have to put the date, homework, heading, and you have to do the same as the classwork. Okay, please do your work neat and clean. Then bye bye students, take care, stay home, stay safe and be happy always. Bye bye.